Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're still in the gorgeous Zante and we're at St Nicholas Beach and we are at a beach bar called Kukas. I'm just going to take a little beach walk and see what this side has to offer. So let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. There we go. So I was over there earlier. See the lovely Kirk there enjoying his drink. Got a pedalo. We'll walk around. Let's get in the water. That's why we're on holiday after all. So you've got some nice little sun lounges. Restaurant goes all the way up. And then you've got some like higher cabanas over there. Water is so shallow and so clear. To show you guys. Really, really pretty. Got about 1 million mosquito bites. They all saved it for the end of the holiday, just a little passing gift from Zante to us. And one of them on the side of my leg looks like it's growing a alien. If you've seen the movie, you get the reference. I'll keep you updated if I actually have something exploding out there. Fingers crossed. There you go, signs for the Kukis. I'm always butchering how you say things, so hopefully you can see the sign there and you can make your minds up on what's the actual pronunciation. So I'm not too far out. But yeah, I just want to show you guys just how clear and gorgeous that water is. I know a lot of people get a bit uneasy, especially like if you're in the UK, you can't really see where you're standing. But here, it goes out and you can see everything. You don't even need snorkels or goggles. It's as clear as day. It's like being in a swimming pool. So if you're one of those people who gets a little bit nervous about stepping out in the ocean, you don't know what you're stepping on or what you can see or where the fish and all the sea life are, you can see it. And it goes all the way out. I don't know if you can see the lovely little lovey-dovey couple over there. But yeah, so you can walk really far out. There you go, another good example, couple there. So yeah, it really is beautiful. So yeah, if you can hear me sounding like I'm walking through the trenches. I'm not, I'm just trying to elegantly walk through the ocean. Right, start heading a bit more towards, it's starting to reach up my thigh now. I don't want to get my bikini or swimming costume, I should say, wet. So yeah, comment below if you suffer from, so when we go abroad, I don't think it's everyone, I get mosquito bites like everyone, but mine swell. Not to the point where I should be concerned, but they're definitely not cute little bites. They are fucking eyesores and they're really irritating, really itchy. Apologies about the swearing, hopefully Kurt got that out. But not very nice. And I hate them. Shouldn't really hate anything, but there you go. Not a fan of mosquitoes abroad. At home, yes, you get bitten, and they are cute. They're little bites, barely itch, barely noticeable, irritable. I'm okay, thank you, but I can live with them. Out here, ooh, I feel like I've been eaten alive. I feel like piranha, not the 3D, even though Kelly Brooks is amazing, but I feel like piranha. Like I've just been eaten alive by these little vicious insects that are taking out lumps of my legs. And then I'm meant to, look at that over there, just meant to survive. So yeah, comment below if you also suffer from this, or are you one of the very few lucky devils who gets to come away unscathed and live your best life without worrying about having bites the size of Australia appear on your legs, arms, torso, anywhere and everywhere. If you are, what's your secret? What you eating? What's your diet? What's your lifestyle? I would love to know. People say lemon. I did actually used to make, so I'm quite into Ayurveda, and I did used to make this kind of like, it's like essential oils, and it was like your own kind of mosquito repellent. I did actually use it last time I came here, so I had a very bad experience a few times ago. Shout out to the lovely Josh, who we met, I think the first time we came here, who did actually send me a mosquito zapper because I got a lot of bites on that holiday. But anyway, so I made this really nice essential oil repellent, but it stank. And that was the only problem. I literally would spray the bed, the room, my pillow, my clothes. I was literally, if I could bathe in it, I probably would have, but I didn't have enough because of the 100 ml limit. But anyway, don't know if I got as much on that holiday. I still did get a bit, but this one I didn't do it. I just brought, the over-the-counter stuff. And yeah, paying the price. Showering in lemon. I would say lemon, citrus, shower gel. Have a little garlic in my diet, not raw garlic, but I'm trying, guys. I really am trying. So if you've got any fun remedies, I used to buy that, what was the shopping brand where they come to your door? Avon. Really nice Avon, like drying oil. Bought like 10 of those. Tried it, didn't work. Even though people were like, oh, the army use it, everyone uses it, it's really good. I was like, I'm buying loads. Didn't work. So yeah, if you have something that it doesn't smell like, repulsive, and it does the job, I'm open to any suggestions at this point, because if I was to show you the side of my right leg, you would be like, whoa, you'd be concerned in saying that. But let's not talk about mosquitoes and bites. Let's just take in beautiful views of this beach. Absolutely stunning. And the water is so warm and so clear. So I will sacrifice getting bitten to death for this sort of weather. It is worth it. Very little things that are worth that sort of sacrifice, but this definitely makes it. Don't forget to comment and like, all the good stuff. If you're new to the channel, sorry about the little mosquito rant. I promise I do love animals and other insects. But yeah, we literally go, me and my partner Kirk, around everywhere, and we try to show you beaches, beach bars, best drinks, best sort of resorts, hotels, excursions, nightlife, everything in between. So you can make a great decision on where you want holiday, travel, or go with your friends, family, etc. So do check out, we've got loads of footage on the channel now. And if you are enjoying this content, don't forget to like, it really does help. And if you are enjoying it, subscribe. But don't forget about ringing that bell as well. It'll tell you when we've got content out and update you on where we're going next, when we're going live, all of that fun stuff. But yeah, this is St. Nicholas Beach, Zante. I've been Sabrina, aka the Mosquito Queen. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. That's me done. I'm going to go and enjoy a drink and numb the pain. See you on the next one.